In this presentation, I'll go ahead and talk the remaining parts of our search ads, display ads, and YouTube ads. Whatever has been left out, we will complete that quickly, and then we will go ahead and proceed with something new, which is going to be our shopping ads. So in the search ads, we have one more option, which is called call only ads. They're only call ads. I mean, you cannot message, your user cannot message, your user cannot go to your I could say your landing page. The user will definitely, once he or she will click on that, the call will ring, right? So we will go ahead and create those ads like call only ads in search ads only. That's only in search ads. That could not be possible in display ads or YouTube ads. All right, so as you can see, I'm already in my Google Ads account. What I'll do, I'll go ahead and hit on campaigns. Like in my campaigns, inside my campaigns, I have one campaign called search campaign. I just created, a useless. Then I hit on my ad group one. Then if you look at this is my ad now, but I'll go to my ads and extensions, and this is my ad. What I'll do, I'll hit on plus icon, and you see this call ad, that's updated version. I hit on this, and this is the option which says, look at this. This is how it would look like. So now what I'll do, United States, first of all, I'll make it in India. And then the phone number, suppose it's 741040123 or whatever it is. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I believe it's 10 now, 10 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, it's 10 digits. Then if you want to show a link to a website, enter a final URL. Then it's always recommended. The user cannot touch it, but yes, it's always recommended to put that. The website is dummy.guruschool.in, and then we'll copy the same, come back, paste it. Display path, will mention the display path. Suppose it's online courses. Then headline 1, I would say limited offer, and then headline 2, call now. That's it. And then we have the business name. Suppose the business name is guruschool.in, and then description number 1 and description number 2 both are recommended. We cannot leave this. So description 1, I should say grab this offer as soon as possible. And then in description 2, you can say what should I go for in description 2? I think we should go with I should go, we provide the content from the scratch. And then we need to turn on the call reporting, and then you can choose the option which is calls from ads. Add URL options, up to you. And then we will go ahead and say save and save the new ad. Once you save it, what's left? There are illegal characters. Oh, I haven't seen that. Now we can go ahead and save it. Call to this, and if you want to see this ad, this is how it would look like. dummy.guruschool.in, online courses, and then phone number, and then guruschool.in, limited offer, call now, grab this offer as soon as possible. We provide the content from the scratch. That is it. And then this is how my ads look like. If you want, we can go ahead and create one more ad so that it's being possible. India will, oh wait, India will keep that same. Phone number, let's make the digits false at the end, and then keep the URL same. Instead of online courses, I should go for online classes. Limited offer, call now, everything I'll keep the same. The headline, the call now, the business, the description, everything. And then conversion action, calls from ads, same, save the new ad. Done. That's it. This is so easy. It's call ad, and it's responsive search ad. This is how you can go ahead and create your call only ads in search ads. Quite easy, right? So this was the first, this was the first from the remaining parts of the search ads. I want you to make sure the practice of the same to get expertise in this. And once you've done that, move to the next video where I will see you.